Have you ever looked at a massive goal, like building financial freedom, and felt completely overwhelmed? You're not alone. Today, we're not talking about complex stock strategies or getting rich quick. We're talking about a principle so simple, it's powerful. This is the 1% rule. Think about it. What if you focused on getting just 1% better with your money every single week? Not 50%. Not a complete overhaul. Just 1%. 1% better at tracking your spending. 1% more disciplined about a small purchase. 1% more of your income directed towards savings. It seems insignificant, right? But here's the secret of the 1% rule. It leverages the most powerful force in the universe for building wealth: compounding. We always hear about compound interest for money, but this is about compounding habits. Your small, consistent improvements don't just add up, they multiply. A 1% improvement each week means you're not 52% better in a year. Because of compounding, you can become over 60% better. In 2 years, the growth isn't linear, it's exponential. That tiny, consistent edge compounds into an undeniable advantage. So, how do you apply this to your finances and your life? Let's break it into 3 simple steps. Step 1. The audit. For 1 week, do nothing but observe. Don't judge, don't change. Just notice. Where does your money actually go? Use a free notes app on your phone. At the end of the week, look for just one small, painless leak. Maybe it's a subscription you forgot about, or buying coffee 3 times instead of 2. That's your target. Step 2. The 1% move. Now, make one tiny change to plug that leak. Cancel that one subscription. Make coffee at home 1 extra time. Don't try to fix everything. Just that one thing. Redirect that small amount, even if it's just $1, into a separate savings account. You've just executed your 1% improvement. Step 3. The consistency loop. This is where the magic happens. Next week, audit. Again, find another tiny, painless 1% move. Maybe it's negotiating one bill, or reading one personal finance article. The goal is not the size of the move. The goal is the unbroken chain of weeks where you improve by just 1%. This rule isn't just about money, it's about personal development. It's about proving to yourself that you are in control. Every time you complete that 1% move, you build self-trust. You build discipline. You build the identity of someone who is competent with their finances. You stop being the person who says, "I'm bad with money." You become the person who says, "I improve my financial health every single week." The 1% rule removes the pressure of perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. A flawed plan you stick to will always beat a perfect plan you abandon. So, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. This week, just observe. Find your 1%. Execute it. And then, do it again next week. The journey to massive wealth and a stronger mindset isn't a single giant leap. It's a few small, smart steps, repeated consistently, and then compounded over time. Start your chain today.